In this video, we present the best 10 smart digital door lock on the market today. Regardless of whether you are looking for the budget option or through the best to the best, we have chosen one for each category, and we will have one for you. We made this list in no particular order. So if you are interested, many equipment for the best 10 smart digital door locks will work best review zone. Stay tuned as always. All the links about the product mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check it out. Now let's get to the video.
Number 1.
SMONET Keyless Entry Door Lock.
SMONET's Smart Door Lock comes in two colors, silver and black. We've only got the black version here. The interior piece is about 6 inches tall, where the exterior piece is around 5 inches tall, with 3 inches of that for the touchpad. The touchpad is OLED and lights up blue so the numbers are easy to see at night. The entire thing is made of a strong zinc alloy, with copper color around the edges that with the curved bezels give the lock a classic elegant feel. SMONET Smart Lock fits better with most doors' designs. And since it has a dark color, it's not going to discolor after being outside for a long time. So there are a lot of ways you can unlock this smart lock. And I mean a lot. So you can unlock it with your phone or a smartwatch, or you can unlock it with a passcode, an e-key, or you can even unlock it with a physical key if you prefer. The lock is powered by 4 AA batteries, which the company says will last 5,000 opens or about 6 months.
Number 2.
Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock.
What else could a guy want? Great family, good house, Wi-Fi. Wait, no, I didn't click that ad. Sorry, didn't mean to click that. But imagine that. Come on in, Ryan. Wow. It'd have to be easy to set up, though. Last thing I need is another installation disaster. No smart home hub. No idea how those work. This only needs Wi-Fi? That sounds pretty simple. Certainly could make life easier. And I suppose it would offer more protection. Could even keep an eye on things while we're out. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
Hey Google, is the front door locked?
The front door is locked.
Dad, why don't you just get the Halo Smart Lock so we can stop listening to you dream about it?
Oh no, they can hear me. How long is this?
Number 3.
Fingerprint Smart Deadbolt Lock.
Introducing the new SecureM Touch Fingerprint Smart Lock, the high-security smart lock for your front door. Using keys to open the front door is a thing of the past. Just one touch with your finger, and you're in. Get notified when family members arrive home safe and sound. The SecureM Touch locks behind you automatically when you arrive, and when you leave. You can check the status of your door using the SecureM app. Create single-use, time-limited codes for whoever needs access to your home. And get notifications right to your phone, so you're always in control. The app lets you remotely lock and unlock your door from wherever you are, as if you were home. The SecureM Touch Smart Lock is tough. It resists the harshest weather conditions. Its long battery life, milled metal casing, and stainless steel deadbolt will stand the test of time. Connect to Alexa for voice commands. Use the Smart Hub to connect all your SecureM devices, like window sensors and smart safe locks. Install in just minutes. All you need is a screwdriver. The SecureM app is available on both Android and iOS devices. For a home as safe as it is smart, try the SecureM Touch Smart Lock today.
Number 4.
NG Teco Door Locks with keypads.
The name of this app is NG Teco Home. You can download it from App Store or Google Play. Before using this app, you need to enroll an account, but I have done it before, so I skip that. We can see there is an app device option here. Click that and we can find out the smart lock and gateway. Because BL30Z is a Zigbee lock, there has to be a gateway to connect the lock to the app. Therefore, we should connect the gateway first. This is our Zigbee gateway. Now we just need to power on it and reset it. This is the reset button. We just need to long press it for 5 seconds. And release it. Just wait for the red indicator starting blinking. That means this gateway is already in reset mode. Now we can go to the next step. Alright, now we need to configure the Wi-Fi for this gateway. So just select the Wi-Fi in your home here and input the correct password, then confirm. After about 10 seconds, this gateway will be added in your app. Okay, it's done now.
Number 5.
Digital keypad keyless entry door lock.
For decades, companies try to improve the way we secure our doors, from making our locks smarter, more convenient, and safer. Our lock has taken years of research and development, and we combined features in all the popular smart locks and made it more advanced. From the sleek, seamless design of the solid aluminium build to the OLED panel that houses the world's advanced security features. This is the Lockly Smart Lock. The patented keypad is powered by Pin Genie, an advanced algorithm system that protects your access codes from being guessed by unwanted guests. The digits rotate every time a code is entered, making it hard to guess the correct sequence. An advanced 3D fingerprint sensor can store up to 99 fingerprints and only recognizes physical fingers, preventing the use of lifted or replicated prints, allowing those registered access. Access codes and fingerprints are just the beginning. Our Bluetooth-powered smart locks can be unlocked conveniently with our mobile app. With the app, you'll be able to manage who comes and goes and grant access to guests even if you're not there. Best of all, with Lockly's patented offline access code, Lockly is the only smart lock in the world that does not need to connect to the internet to receive access requests and allows guests to unlock with their unique access code. The codes automatically get revoked after your preset duration, making remote management simple even if your lock is located in a location without internet access. With all this technology, you can also unlock the smart lock with a physical key. Lockly Secure works universally for most doors and is available in Deadbolt and Latch editions. Lockly, come home secure, essential to every household.
Number 6.
Satin Nickel Smart Lock Connect Wi-Fi.
With August Smart Lock, your phone is now your key. August lets you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. It's that easy. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. And with August's proprietary DoorSense technology, you'll know your door is both closed and locked. Create secure temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS.
Number 7.
Quick and easy smart lock fingerprint.
In this video, I will show you how to properly install ULTRALOQ Smart Door Lock. Included in the box, front panel, back panel, mounting plate, deadbolt latch, strike plate, cylinder, backup keys, RF key fobs, drill hole drawing, lock manual, screws, and solenoids. Installation process is quick and easy with no drilling required. Check the door's dimensions. This will tell you if you need to expand the deadbolt mechanism. Let's prepare the keypad by attaching the cylinder and solenoids. Please make sure the cylinder is facing up before inserting into the deadbolt. Make sure the wire goes in under the latch. Adjust the lock cylinder to horizontal insert. Toggle the switch for left swing and right swing doors. Gently connect the cable, then push extra cable back into the door hole. Make sure the lock turns completely into the lock position before screwing in the back panel. To power the lock, insert 4 AAA batteries. Test and check if the bolt moves in and out smoothly.
Number 8.
ULTRALOQ Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
Number 9.
ULTRALOQ Smart Lock Wi-Fi Adapter.
Number 10.
ULTRALOQ Bolt Smart Door Lock. Thanks for watching. You can find links, prices, and descriptions of those products in the description box. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to us to get noticed the latest, top-rated product on the market.